Political trouble for Warren Mayor Jim Fouts. Tonight, attorneys are fighting in court to keep him out of the hot seat for sworn testimony in a deposition. Listen to what he told the 7 investigators just yesterday.
Number one, we don't try a case by the media. We do it by the court of law.
Yeah, why won't you testify in a deposition?
We have watched for the last year and a half as Fouts has denied making awful comments on tape about women, kids who are disabled, and African Americans. 7 investigator Jim Kirchner is live in Warren with the new case and the mayor's latest reaction to all of this. Jim.
Yeah, Carolyn, here's the federal lawsuit filed by the first black police officer here. Her name is DeShelia Howlett. Her claim is a hostile work environment based on her race and gender. And in this are the explosive new allegations against the mayor, similar to the ones we've seen previously, that are very, very disturbing.
Think I want to date a 60-year-old hag? That I'm not interested in any old ugly hag. You know, blacks do look like chimpanzees. I was watching this black woman with her daughter, and they look like 2 chimps.
Tonight, I'm going to meet a group of retards.
They're dysfunctional human beings. They're not even human beings. I wish them well in a cage.
Mayor Fouts has repeatedly denied that's him on tape.
It is not me.
It
is not me at all.
While under that intense pressure, Mayor Fouts hired Greg Murray to be the Warren Diversity Coordinator last year.
I believe that I have all of the resources that I need.
11 months later, Murray was fired by Fouts. In the federal lawsuit, Murray says in an affidavit, Mayor Fouts told me on more than one occasion that diversity would be placed on the back burner until after the 2019 mayoral election. When Murray attempted to organize a diversity committee, Mayor Fouts directed me to stop because people on the committee had called for his resignation, and further, he feared a backlash from the white residents. It is my opinion that Mayor Fouts hired me as the city's diversity coordinator as window dressing. In a deposition, Murray testified. During a training, Mayor Fouts made some very disparaging comments and mockery of a person with Tourette's syndrome. It was on tape, and Mayor Fouts wanted it destroyed, according to Murray's testimony, because he was concerned it might draw a connection to the first tape. So he ordered me to destroy the tape, which I partially complied with. Yesterday, Mayor Fouts denied that.
No, that is not true.
In the same lawsuit, attorneys for the city are fighting to keep Fouts from testifying. But if the judge denies their motion, the testimony should be limited in scope, they argue, and the transcript of what the mayor says under oath should be sealed.
I'm not aware that I'm under a court case right now.
I can show it to you. I have the documents.
I will tell you this. I forgive you, and I forgive individuals who bear false witness.
And the judge in this case, Terrence Berg, on the federal court, still has not ruled whether the mayor has to testify. Carolyn?
Hard to believe he's sitting there saying he forgives you, Jim, but a lot of people thought this case had gone away. But the mayor posted something on Facebook today. Jim, what did he have to say?
Yeah, I can summarize it. He says these are outright lies from a disgruntled former employee who's trying to extort the mayor as well as the city. Mayor also says he didn't mock anyone with Tourette's syndrome. By the way, Mayor Fouts is up for re-election here in Warren next year.